metallic character or electropositive character. Electropositive character. Electropositive character or metallic character is related to ionization energy. If the ionization energy decreases, the electropositive character increases or metallic character increases. ताले आमे जतबेले ग्रुप रे जाउचे आमे पढिथिले आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी decreases down the group. यदि आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी कमी गला ताले कोन हो, they can easily lose electron to form positive ion. That means the metallic character or electropositive character increases down the group. So the ionization energy is inversely proportional to electropositive character, or electropositive character is inversely proportional to ion. So ionization energy kon hoti decreases down the group, so the metallic character or electropositive character increases down the group. Therefore nitrogen and phosphorus, they are non-metals. But arsenic and antimony are metalloids. But bismuth is metal. ताने non-metal रो कोन होची metal. तानो non-metallic character decreases, metallic character increases. काई कहूची ना due to the decrease in ionization energy down the. Next come to the sixth property is the physical state. Sixth property is the physical state. Physical state of group 15 elements. Generally nitrogen exists in gaseous state. But other elements of this group, they exist in polyatomic solid states. Phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, they exist in solid states. ताने gaseous state रहउची माने नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल भितर कोन रहउची intermolecular force of attraction is weak. But phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth से माने को स्टेट रहउछन solid state, तेनो ताको भितर कोन रहउची intermolecular force of attraction is strong. काहे कि एटी weak रहउची, काहे कि एटी strong रहउची, काहे कि ना नाइट्रोजन exists in diatomic state. But phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, they exist in for example phosphorus exists in tetraatomic state. So nitrogen has a smaller molecular size, but phosphorus has a larger molecular size. हमें जानी चाहिए intermolecular force of attraction or van der Waals force or intermolecular force of attraction is directly proportional to molecular size or surface area of the molecule. ताने van der Waals force or intermolecular force of attraction केतबेले इंक्रीज करिवो when the molecular size is large. ताने एटी phosphorus molecule रे कोन होची, the intermolecular force of attraction is strong, very strong, so that it exists in solid states. Similarly arsenic, in case of arsenic there is a strong intermolecular force of attraction in between the molecule of arsenic, so they exist in solid state. But nitrogen exists in diatomic gaseous state काहे ना नाइट्रोजन हैज ए स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूलर साइज सो द इंटर नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल भितर जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन अछि द इंटर मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वीक therefore it exists in gaseous states so these are the physical state of group 15 elements. Next come to the oxidation state. The last physical property is the oxidation state. Oxidation state. Nitrogen can easily show -3 oxidation states. -3 oxidation state. Then due to its smaller size and a high electronegativity. So it has a strong tendency. To for attraction of electron. So it can easily show -3 oxidation states. But phosphorus, in case of ammonia, nitrogen shows -3 oxidation states. In phosphine, phosphorus also -3 oxidation states, but it cannot easily show -3 oxidation states. Kahi na phosphorus has larger size and a lower electronegativity value. So its tendency to show -3 oxidation state is less. But tendency to show -3 oxidation state for nitrogen is more, due to its smaller size and high electronegativity. So the tendency to show -3 oxidation state gradually decreases from nitrogen to bismuth. Due to the increase in atomic size and a decrease in electronegativity. Next, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, they can also show +3 oxidation states. केतबेले से माने +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट शो करिवे ना हमर जो वैलेंस सेल रे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन रहउची ns रे 2टा रहउची np रे 3टा रहउची 2 electron in ns and 3 electron in np when only the p electron of the valence cell p रे जो 3 electron रहउची वैलेंस सेल only the 3 electron of the p sub cell participate in bond formation ताले in this case they show +3 oxidation states. जेतले when all the valence electron 2 s electron and 3 p electron all participate in bond formation ताले सेतबेले से माने कोन देखैबे +5 oxidation states except nitrogen. तेणु +5 oxidation state को माने देखैबे phosphorus शो करिवो, arsenic शो करिवो, bismuth, antimony and a bismuth except nitrogen. And nitrogen does not show +5 oxidation state or nitrogen cannot expand its valency beyond 3 उपरूप से जाई परिबो ना काहे जाई परिबोनी ना नाइट्रोजन रो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन देखा मुने पूछी नाइट्रोजन रो लागते एटॉमिक नंबर 7 1s2 2s2 2p3 then it has no vacant d orbital in its valence तेणु आर ग्राउंड स्टेट रे केटा अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन रहउची तीनटा रहउची 3 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन इन its valence तेणु ये केटा बॉन्ड करि परिबो मैक्सिमम इट कैन फॉर्म मैक्सिमम 3 बॉन्ड therefore nitrogen has a maximum oxidation state plus 3 or its valency maximum valency of nitrogen is 3 but phosphorus 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3 3d is 0 then it has vacant d orbital phosphorus has vacant d orbital ताले कोन हो the electron from 3s is promoted to 3 to get 5 unpaired electron 5 unpaired electron that means it can form 5 bonds so oxidation state of this element may be gone plus and the valency the maximum valency of phosphorus arsenic and antimony as well as bismuth are 5 so this is possible due to the presence of vacant d orbital in its valence but in case of nitrogen it is not possible kahi possible hoy paruni because it has no vacant d orbital so electron promotion is not possible that is promotion of electron or excitation of electron is possible so +3 oxidation state are shown by all elements but +5 oxidation state shown by all elements except nitrogen because nitrogen has no vacant d orbital in its valence so these are the physical properties and the physical traits of group 15 elements first one was atomic size then ionization energy electron affinity electronegativity metallic character physical states and last one is the oxidation states similarly the melting point and boiling point if you consider melting point and boiling point if you go from nitrogen to phosphorus nitrogen to bismuth the melting point and boiling point of these element gradually increases the melting and boiling point of these element gradually increases from nitrogen to bismuth can the melting point boiling point kaha par depend kare it depends upon ka intermolecular force of attraction or van der Waals force ताने नाइट्रोजन रो bismuth गले molecular size increases as जदि molecular size increase हैला van der Waals force increases and molecular size is directly proportional to van der Waals force जदि van der Waals force increase हैला और intermolecular force of attraction जदि बड़ी गला increases so more and more temperature is required to separate them ताको separate करिया को कोन दरकार more temperature therefore the melting point and boiling point gradually increases down the काहेकि ना due to the increase in the magnitude of van der Waals force काहेकि होची ना due to the gradual increase of molecular size from nitrogen to bismuth so this is the trend of melting point and boiling point okay now the physical properties of group 15 elements is finished next come to the chemical properties रे हमें पढ़िबा the reaction towards hydrogen reaction towards halogen and reaction towards oxygen that is formation of hydrides formation of halides and formation of oxides तो फास्ट जीवा द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्राइड्स और रिएक्शन टुवर्ड्स